Unveiling Idioms. Understanding on its last legs. Hello, dear learners and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might come across in books, movies, and even in everyday conversations. The phrase is, on its last legs. Have you ever wondered what it means when someone says that something is on its last legs? Well, you're in for a treat because we're about to unravel this idiom together. So, let's get started and add another expression to your growing English repertoire. When something is on its last legs, it's a vivid way of saying that it's about to fail or give out. Imagine an old chair that creaks and wobbles every time someone sits on it. It's not going to last much longer, right? That's the essence of this phrase. It's commonly used to refer to objects, systems, and sometimes even people, to indicate that they are near the end of their usefulness, life, or ability to function properly. The idiom, on its last legs, has a rather straightforward origin. It is believed to have come from the literal observation of animals or people who are exhausted or nearing the end of their strength. They might be limping or struggling to stand, just like the last remaining legs of a table before it collapses. This metaphorical expression captures that imminent sense of collapse or failure. Using on its last legs in a sentence is quite simple. It's often used to add a dramatic flair to describe the condition of something. For example, my car is on its last legs. It breaks down almost every week. The company was on its last legs before the new CEO turned things around. Notice how in these examples, the phrase sets the stage for an impending end or a crucial turning point. It's perfect for emphasizing dire situations where things are not looking up. There are several expressions in English that convey a similar meaning to on its last legs. Some of these include running on fumes. This usually refers to a car that is almost out of gas, but it can also mean someone who is very tired or resources that are nearly depleted. Hanging by a thread. This suggests that something is so close to failing that even the slightest problem could cause it to collapse or end. By understanding these similar phrases, you can enrich your conversational skills and add variety to your expressions. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test. Try to use on its last legs in a sentence of your own. Think about an old appliance at home or a situation from a movie or book where something was nearing its end and describe it using our idiom of the day. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of the phrase, on its last legs. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Remember, understanding idioms is a great way to sound more like a native speaker and to interpret the language in a broader context. So, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use on its last legs in your next English conversation. Happy learning, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.